Jai Hind everyone. So you're most welcome to the G20 special topics. India's G20 presidency has proven itself to be unique in different ways. It has focused on the priorities and key concerns of the developing nations, amplified the voice of Global South, and raised ambition in areas like climate action and finance, energy transitions, SDG implementation, and technological transformation. The G20 New Delhi Leader Declaration provides a pragmatic roadmap for how to continue imperative global cooperation when severe geopolitical discord threatens the global well-being. So therefore, from GD point of view, the G20 assumes greater importance, and this time I have picked up four latest topics on G20 most likely to figure in any form, whether it's GD, lecturate, or even during your personal interview. The fifth topic is a social topic, and after understanding the topic, you all are expected to read article on these topics and prepare relevant content with facts and figures which will come handy in your SSP. Okay, so here is your first, latest, and very important topic for discussion. Now, the theme of India's G20 presidency was Vasudev Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, and one future. The summit concluded with many declarations to achieve the same. Now, what, in your opinion, is going to have the most long-lasting impact? Inclusion of the African Union in the G20, or the India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor, or about the Global Biofuel Alliance? Now, the second topic on G20. Now, during G20 Summit 2023, India showcased its digital revolution, in which India's digital public infrastructure has emerged as India's new soft power. Now, in fact, it has provided New Delhi with new opportunities for leadership in the global south. Now, what, in your opinion, is the most revolutionary digital public infrastructure? Is it the UPI for payments, or is it the Aadhaar for identity, or you feel that DigiLocker for data management is the one? Now, the third topic on G20. The plans for ambitious India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor were unveiled by the PM during G20 Summit 2023. Now, this is being seen as a major boost to the partnership for global infrastructure and investment in filling infrastructure gaps in global south countries. Now, what, in your opinion, is the main motive behind this initiative? Is going to lead to the economic integration of India, Middle East, and Europe, or whether you feel it will drive sustainable development for the entire world, or is it going to be a counter to the China's Belt and Road Initiative? Now let's have a look at another important topic on National Education Policy 2020. Now, India's NEP 2020 received a virtual endorsement at the G20 summit, as its declaration recognized the importance of foundational learning while emphasizing on lifelong learning through skilling, reskilling, and upskilling, which are among the focus areas of the national education policy. Now, what, in your opinion, would be the most long-lasting impact of NEP implementation? Holistic development of students, or integration of technology in education, or whether enhanced teaching practices? Now, here's your fourth topic. Every 45 seconds, someone takes their life, and it's estimated 7 lakh a year around the world. Now, each suicidal death is a public health concern with a profound impact on those around them. Now, creating hope through action is the triennial theme for the World Suicide Prevention Day from 2021 to 2023. Now, what, in your opinion, would be the most important action to prevent suicides? Recognizing warning signs, or creating awareness how to prevent suicides, or is it the family and friend support? Now, the aspirants can prepare on the topics given in the video, and thereafter you can register by sharing your name, email ID, and the type of entry on WhatsApp number 8049281123. Thereafter, we'll have online practice on 13th of September, that is Wednesday, at 8 p.m. on Google Meet in a batch of 10 each.